Hey G Squad, I hope everyone is doing well today. So, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you in this video how I made this delicious, mouth-watering carrot souffle. So, if you're interested in seeing how I put this dish together, then stick around and keep watching. Alright G Squad, so all the ingredients here on the counter, I'm just going to briefly run through them, but I will have everything listed in the description box. So for starters, we have the carrots. This is 2 pounds of carrots, and I peeled them, cut the ends off, and then chopped them up. These are going to be boiled. In this dish here, I have 3 large eggs. Then I have a cup of granulated sugar. Over here I have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I have some baking soda, nutmeg. Try to use the pure vanilla extract. Then I have some cinnamon here. We're going to use like a pinch of salt. And then here in this dish I have half a cup of unsalted butter that I'm going to melt. Alright, so right now I have a pot on the stove, and I'm going to now add these carrots to that. So let me. Alright, so here we are. So here's my water going. So now, as I said, I'm going to add my carrots. Be very careful, you don't want to burn yourself. So now these are going to cook for about 20 minutes, or at least until the carrots are soft. Alright, so now as I said, once these are ready, I'll pop it in and we'll continue on with this recipe.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
Okay, so this is the souffle fresh out of the oven. So once you stick the toothpick in, come out nice and clean. Okay? Has a nice little crispy edge, as you can see. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to cool off and then come back and cut into it. All right, family, so now that the souffle is cooled off and I cut into it, I'm just going to grab a fork just to give you a closer look at it. But, here we are. Our nice firm souffle with the crispy edges. And now if you wanted to leave it in a few minutes longer and maybe have the top a deeper brown, you can do that as well. But this is how I prefer mine. And then now this could be paired with as your main course. You can have it with baked chicken. You can do like a beef. If you eat beef, you can have like a side of beef with it. And also with fish, and then you can have it with a nice salad. And then also another thing is too, because this is so reminiscent of what is it, sweet potatoes, because it has the same texture. And actually if you can actually feed this to people, they wouldn't even know that it's carrots. That's how much it resembles sweet potatoes. And then you can also turn this into a pie. Yeah, just prepare the filling the same way, add it to pie crust, sprinkle some powdered sugar on it, and voila, you now have a dessert. But yeah, family, so that's going to conclude this video. So if you try this, always say, make sure you tag me, let me know how you like it, because I already know you're going to like it. And per usual, thank you for taking the time out of your busy day and popping in to see what your girl's cooking up in the kitchen. I appreciate it. Love you guys. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye.